Okay, one more.
Said don't call my phone on Friday night, but I never did listen. So I'ma hit you now on FaceTime, and I know you won't miss it.
While I was cleaning the van, I actually found a couple of spots of rust, and I want to treat them, but I want to treat them later. So right now I'm going to mark them with something bright. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just normal metal paint will actually work fine. Let's go mark them out so we can find them back later.
Let you forget me. Won't let you forget me. Girl, I take back all the lies and the side. Girl, I try. Let's remember all the times that we did have. And the times I made you laugh when you sat up on my lap. And the brothers wasn't packed cause of COVID. Back and forth we go. That ain't all she wrote. We got ways to go now. And you tried moving far, I tried moving on. I can't let you forget.
All in all, it's not that bad. It's just surface rust, but I'd rather treat it now than having it become a problem later. Okay, having removed a couple of things from the bottom here, there's a couple of screws I want to get rid of, but they're actually welded into the frame. So that leaves me no other choice than to just grind them out. Before we go on, I want to talk to you about safety. What I want to talk about is a dead man switch. Now, a dead man switch is a handle or a button or something you use to engage a tool or a device. And if it's not being engaged, the device won't run. It could be anything like a grinder, a mixer for the kitchen, a light, or yes, even a can of air. Now, the principle is very simple. If you press the button, it engages. If you release, it doesn't. And it's actually a very good safety feature. Just to make my point clear, finger on and finger off, it doesn't work anymore. That's the principle of a dead man switch. And when it comes to tool safety, that's a very big one. Okay, just to show you what I actually mean with a dead man switch. If I turn this on, and if I let go, it doesn't keep running. It'll actually just stop. Just imagine dropping this and it's actually still running. Trust me, that's a trip to the ER. Or you go viral on TikTok. Whatever you want. Look, I don't know if you can see, but these are the actual screws I had to take out. It's not much, but they were in my way. And now they are not in my way. Okay, so right now we are tackling the interior rust. That's what we're doing. Outside rust, that's for another time. Right now we're doing the inside rust, because there are a couple of spots that I want to get rid of. I'm back in my sweater because yeah, there's a lot of debris flying around and it's not that comfortable. Problem is, it's actually a warm day, so yeah, that sucks, but we'll get through it. I got the parts that I could actually reach with the grinder, but the rest is kind of small places, nooks, crannies, so we'll have to do that one with another tool. But yeah, it's actually going pretty well. So we're almost there. This tool doesn't really have a dead man switch, but it's basically just a sander. So what's it gonna do? Sand my ass? We got most of it. So now it's cleaning and then spray on rust preventer so it doesn't rust any further. Because bare metal will rust immediately. So let's get that done. I cleaned everything with wet wipes. That's basically a good start. Takes off most of the grime. Now we will be using brake cleaner, which is very good, but it's really aggressive. So you can't use it anywhere, but in the car it's actually perfectly fine. And then after that, we'll close it up with some rust prevention. Shake before use. Shake before use. I'm getting pretty good at this. Child locks. Unless you're interested in getting really high, do this in a well-ventilated area.